let's check out how you can put your iCloud photos and videos back onto your iPhone. Hey everyone, Dom's here. So let's just quickly check it out, and then I'll talk about how you can save some more space with your photos and videos, or how you can improve them if that's what you need. So go to your settings on your iPhone and then tap on your name here. Naturally, you need to be signed in with your Apple ID for this, so in case you haven't done that, do so. Next, tap on iCloud here. Here you'll see your storage usage of your iCloud, which is important because if you have a large iCloud subscription, say 2 terabytes, which is much bigger than your phone's internal storage, you won't be able to move on to the next step, or at least it won't work the same way. That is, if your iCloud storage is full of photos and it's taking up 2 terabytes. Because now you need to tap on photos, and within photos here you need to turn on sync this iPhone. If you have that turned on, all of your photos will be stored in iCloud, and then it will also be downloaded to your phone. For that, you actually have 2 options, because you can optimize storage, which means that only little thumbnails of your images and videos will be stored on your phone, but not the full size. This also means that anytime you'll want to check out an image, you'll need internet connection, which can affect your mobile data usage. Although you can turn off mobile data for photos, but that means that you can't watch your photos and images anywhere, anytime. So it's something to consider. And then you have keeping originals, which naturally means that the full-size images and videos will be stored both on your iPhone and in iCloud. And in that case, if your iCloud storage space is much larger than your phone and you have, 35,000 pictures in your iCloud, but you only have an iPhone with 128 gigabytes or 250 even, you won't have enough space in your iPhone. So you might have noticed that I don't have it turned on, and that's because this way I'm more conscious about the photos I take and keep. Also, my phone is 256 gigabytes, so if I want to back everything up, I need a 2 terabyte iCloud subscriptions, which I do not want to pay for, but that way I also don't have enough space to back up all my photos as well. So I just separate the 2 things, It's a personal choice and everybody does as they please. But I found this more convenient because this way I'm actually paying attention to how many photos I'm actually keeping on my phone, so I don't run out of storage space. Now, in the second part of this video, I'd like to talk about the UniConverter and how it can help you to save space and improve images. With the UniConverter, you can compress your images and also video files, which then you can store in iCloud as a second copy of your files. Now, to compress images, you'll need to use the image converter tool, and with that tool you can reduce the original resolution and or output quality. For compressing videos, you need to use the compressor tool, where you can set up a compression ratio. In special cases, if that's what you need, you can use the UniConverter to improve images with. Photos don't always turn out perfectly. They might be too blurry, a bit dark, or not large enough. This latter one is more true when it comes to older iPhones. Either way, you can use the AI functions within the AI Image Enhancer tool to make your images even nicer. To use it, it's really easy. It supports batch processing, and then you can just click on an AI function you'd like to use and then click on export all. Very easy. In fact, everything in the UniConverter, all the tools are super easy and straightforward to use. It's a great tool to have on your computer at all times. To get it, go to videoconverter.wondershare.com, and don't worry, you can try it for free before you decide to get a subscription. Alright, that was all from me for today. Let us know of any questions you might have and we'll answer to you. And if you like this video, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. But I'm gonna thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.